Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili sauce. Start by selecting your ingredients carefully. Fresh, ripe red chili peppers are key for a vibrant color and robust flavor. You'll need about 1 pound of chilies, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. These foundational elements will create a balanced and delicious sauce. Ensure all your produce is washed and ready for preparation. Now let's get those ingredients ready. First, wash your chili peppers thoroughly and remove their stems. Then roughly chop them into smaller pieces. Next, peel and mince your 4 cloves of garlic. Once prepared, combine the chopped chilies and minced garlic in a food processor. This step ensures a smooth and consistent base for your sauce. With your ingredients blended, it's time to cook. Pour the smooth chili and garlic mixture into a saucepan. Add 1 cup of vinegar and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your chili sauce is almost ready. After simmering, taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Once satisfied, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Finally, pour the cooled sauce into sterilized jars. Properly stored, your homemade chili sauce will last for several weeks in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.